In another video, I showed the exercises that I was given by my physical therapist for post-bunion surgery, and my foot had some Kinesio tape on it. He gave me some rock tape brand, and I bought some generic, and I'll show you how I tape my foot and give you my opinion of both brands. As mentioned, I have two kinds of Kinesio tape with me. On your left is the rock tape brand, which my physical therapist gave me, and then on the right is a more generic brand that I bought on Amazon. They're both available on Amazon. I'll have links in the description box below to both of these. Now, I've already cut a piece of the regular or the generic, and what my physical therapist showed me, if I get my foot centered, is that we're going to start up on the toe. So if you look at my foot, it's not completely straight. It's not completely straight. I waited a long time to get this bunion surgery. So what he's trying to do is pull the foot this way and stretch it and get the muscle to do what it's doing inside and just to tighten this somewhat. So to show you on the side how long he cut this, and this does stretch, by the way, we measured to about here on the other side of my heel. And then the thing is, you want to round the corners with a pair of scissors because you don't want those pointy corners catching on your clothing and your socks and whatnot. It'll just help it stay longer. And this particular tape is 2 inches wide. Then the other trick he showed me is that before you start, you want to just tear each side a little bit just to get it started at this top part. And then we're going to tear it off. Now I know some other people on YouTube show doing this taping from the heel up. My physical therapist, Jim, who I trust a lot, he started on the top of the toe, and we want to pull this and stretch it. I'm going to pull this paper off inside. And the thing is, I want to pull on the foot somewhat. See me pulling my toe a little bit to straighten up the toe somewhat and get this tape on at the same time. And I'm going to pull the paper off and go around my bottom of my foot. So let me see if I can show you. It actually went up this far. So if the tape only goes this far up the heel, that would be fine. But it ends up pulling the foot nicely, and then just use the warmth of your fingers to get that tape all tightened. I've been applying the rock tape till I run out and the generic every other time just to do a comparison. And I will say the rock tape does stick better and longer. So I can go with the rock tape through multiple showers and baths for about 6 days typically. And then this tape I can go for anywhere from 2 days to 5 days. So you can do a price comparison and say, well, if on average this would last 4 days and this would last 6 days, do an average wear per and just see which one you want to buy. Otherwise, they're very similar. Now, when I say that they last or don't last, they start to pull away from the edges. So if it pulls away from the toe side, you've got to start over because that's the side that really matters. If it's pulling from the other side, like from here, I'll hold my foot up, from this side, not the toe side, you can pull that down and trim it and retape it, and it'll be good for another day or 2 or 3, depending on how well it sticks. So do a comparison, and they feel alike. It's just a stickiness issue. I like it. It really feels good. I wear it under socks. It's winter time now, so I'm not wearing it outside. But this comes in multiple colors, and in the description box below, when you see there'll be other colors that you can choose from, at least from the rock tape. So check out some of my other videos, including the Bunion series over on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.